In this session, we are going to deploy and configure self-hosted Linux built agent for Azure DevOps. Let's start with the prerequisite. First, we need Linux virtual machine. As this is Linux built agent, so we need a Linux virtual machine where Azure DevOps will build our application. Of course, second is Azure DevOps platform. Next, we need personal access token PAT. So this is the token that we will create on Azure DevOps, and this token will be used by Azure DevOps to communicate with Linux virtual machine for building the application and again getting the artifact from there. Next, we will run continuous integration CI pipeline from Azure DevOps on Linux virtual machine to build the application. So let's start with the hands-on. And first things, we are going to create the Linux virtual machine. So let's go to the Azure portal. So this is my Azure DevOps. Let's go to the Azure portal and let's create the virtual machine. Click on virtual machines. Click on create virtual machine. Let's create a resource group. Click OK. Virtual machine name. Scroll down. You do not need high available. Ubuntu image is fine. Scroll down. Size is good. We will use password based authentication. Let's give username as Praveen. Password. Confirm password. Inbound port is fine. Click disk. Now all looks good. Click networking. Create public IP. Click OK. All looks good. Go to management and everything is fine here. Click review and create. It's going to validate it. So let's wait. Validation pass. Click on create. Now this is going to take some time. Now deployment is in progress and it will take some time. Let's go to the Azure DevOps and here we are going to create the hosted agent. So we will click on organization settings. Remember, these settings comes for two places. One for the organization. Here we are in the organization. If you go on the project, then you will see the project settings. This is loading. Let's wait. Project settings. Do remember, these settings, hosted agent setting is at the organization settings. Students always make mistakes. Now click on organization settings. In pipeline, we have agent pools. Click here. You will see two pools here. Now we are going to add new pool and we have the multiple options, but we are going to create self-hosted. Give the name. Make sure pipeline permission is granted. Create. Now select the Linux hosted agent. Actually, this is the agent pool. Select this. And now here we are going to create the agents. Click on the agent, create new agent, or also you can click from here, create new agent, reload this. This happens sometimes. Create new one. Now here we see we can create three types of agent: Windows, Mac OS and Linux. We are going to create Linux self-hosted agent, so we will follow this instruction. Now at this time we need our virtual machine. This is got deployed. Go to the resource, copy the public IP. We need to do SSH to run all these commands. Let's open the terminal and type SSH, username, public IP, hit the enter, fingerprint yes. We need to give the password. We are SSH into our virtual machine, all good. Let's go to the browser and now we need to download the agent. Copy here. Let's go to our terminal and wget and paste it, is going to download the agent. Go to the browser, then we need to create my agent folder and we need to cd into it. Now we will move this agent into this folder. We need to give the dot here. Now this is here. Now we are going to extract it. Let's go to the browser and here we have the command. Let me copy this and give the name is getting extracted. Now we are going to configure it. For that, copy this and paste here. Now it's going to ask couple of configuration. First thing first, here we need to enter yes. Then this is asking server URL. So this is nothing but our Azure DevOps URL. Let me show you. Go to Azure DevOps and copy this here. So dev azure.com, and this is our organization. So as we know, this is organization wise configuration, right? So agent pool is at the organization level. So this is our URL. Copy this, go to the terminal and paste it. Now how you want to do the authentication? We are going to use PAT, then say yes. Now we have to give the token. Let's go ahead and generate the token. Go to browser and let me open the new tab and paste this here. Now click here and you see personal access token. Create new token and give the name, give the full access, create. Let's copy this and close. Go to the terminal, paste. Now this is connecting to the server and it registered the agent. Now it's asking to give the pool name and we already know our pool name. Let's go to the browser and let me close this. We'll come back here. Let's copy this. This is our pool name. Go to terminal, paste here. Now this is asking the agent name. So it's saying Azure DevOps agent. We can accept this or we can give different name. So let me type it. Now this is connecting, testing, and now it's asking for the default folder. All good. Let's go to the browser. Now we see agent is here, but this is offline. We need to start it. So again, go to here because we need this command. We need to run it. Copy, go to terminal, paste it. If it will run successful, we will see our agent is online. It's listening, all good. Go here. Now we see this is online. Let me close this. Now all set. This is what we need to do. Now we can do the small test. Let's go to our organization, go to the project, and here is my sample repository, and we have Azure pipeline YAML, and here we need to change the pool name. So let's go back and copy the exact pool name. Go to the organization settings, agent pool, Linux hosted agent. Let me copy this. Let's go to the pipeline, edit, commit the change. Now this pipeline will work. Let's go back here. We see this is running, started now. Let's open this. It's asking for the permission because this is new pipeline, is need the permission. Permit it, and this is one-time activity. After that, we do not need to give this permission. Open this. All going good. It's initializing the job. Perfect. Now we see job is successful. Let's go back. Job is completed. This is success. Now we run this pipeline on our self-hosted Linux agent. So we have deployed and configured Linux built agent. Thank you so much.